Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Hope you're all having a beautiful Tuesday so far. I've just got home from work, like on time for once. Such a beautiful day today. I swear it is like so hot. So I thought, okay, that's it. I'm literally like all day. I've just been looking forward to going to the beach. I'm gonna go for a swim. Come home, got my bikini on, got my nice flowy dress, and I'm literally just gonna make a smoothie and then head down to the beach for a bit. But I thought I would show you what I'm making for my smoothie because this is like my go-to like kind of snack smoothie kind of thing. Anyway, I already started making it. I just put half soy milk, half water in the blender, also some 𝗂𝗃𝗵𝗆 chocolate protein. I was gonna do vanilla, but I haven't opened that yet, so I was like, oh, I'll just do the chocolate. This protein is my favorite. I talk about 𝗂𝗃𝗵𝗆s all the time because I honestly just love them. What I love about the protein though, the Thrive protein, and isn't this amazing? This is like the reusable scoop, clips to the bag. Anyway, what I love about the protein is that it's not just a like natural, got cut off, this is such an awkward angle. Anyway, what I love about this is that it's not just a natural vegan protein, but they also add other like minerals and superfoods and functional foods as well to it. So it's like, you know when you go to make a smoothie and you add like your protein powder and your other ingredients and different seeds and, you know, potions and stuff like that, like I used to sometimes. This has got it all. Like this has got so many functional ingredients, like it's going to give you so many different nutrients all in one, and I just love that it's just like a one-hit wonder basically. Anyway, and it's super delicious as well. So anyway, got that in here. Got my milk in here. Oat milk is superior, but today we're going with soy because I don't have any oat milk left. Anyway, got a banana. Gonna go banana and then just add some bloobs and a little bit of yogurt. And yeah, gonna blend that up and then I'll show you. Yeah, still recording everything because my story was gonna be way too long and it was a really awkward angle anyway. But yeah, yum smoothie. It's one of my go-to like avo snacks at the moment to like power me through the afternoon. We'll have another snack before dinner, like don't you worry, but this is like such a good after work snack. And then I'm gonna head down to the